Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be celebrating K-Beauty. As you have seen recently, I have done K-Beauty debut for this month. My name is clo-l. I'm gonna do a K-Beauty makeup sensation video, and I don't know what that means. K-Beauty sensation makeup video, what the hell? Today we are doing K-pop beauty. So super excited because not only are we doing K-pop makeup today, but we are going to be using K-Beauty makeup. So I actually got this from like a Korean store. This is Etude House. This was all over when I was in Korea, when I lived there, and I just ordered it online. Everything is in Korean, like in the back. This product I got from Etude, and I'll also link it down below. But first of all, let's talk about this like little piglet thing. It is so cute. Look at it. It has a little piglet face. Let's see. So we got, well, this is just for my bangs because I got bangs, y'all. I got this stamp. This is the Kaja or Kaja. I think it's Kaja. Kaja in Korea either is snacks or it's means like let's go. So I don't know which one they mean, but this is super cute. The Kaja little pop, it makes a little heart stamp on your cheeks. And then this is the Kaja Mochi Glow. And this is the Don't Settle. I mean, we're going deep into it. We are doing it. All right, now that we're a little closer. All right, so when I think of K-Beauty, I think of like very soft brownish blending underneath over the eye, and obviously the liner does not go up, but it goes out. Also, they like have a very like pinky blush, and I feel like always a red lip is like the magnifier. So I'm gonna do a K-pop inspired look. Obviously my K-pop inspo is Blackpink. I am going to do a little K-pop lick if I was going on stage, because clo-l needs to be on stage and break it down, you know. Right, obviously step one is putting on makeup forever. I always use Estee Lauder Double Wear using my little piglet. Boing, boing, boing. Oh, this smells a little weird, to be honest. Okay, so I feel like this piglet is way too hard for my face. Like, it's eating all my makeup, and like there's barely any wen on my face. Like, so I'm not using that. I'm just gonna go back to my beauty blenders, and I'm just gonna put on a little bit more because I feel like that didn't do anything for my face. Like, it didn't cover anything. So I'm just gonna use beauty blenders, and oh yeah, that's so much better. Base on, thank goodness for beauty blender, because this piglet thing did not work. But if you wanna give it a try, I'll definitely link it below. All right, so I'm gonna go into this palette, the Etude House palette. They have a lot of like fun names in here. So one is Don't Come Close, End of Hotgot. I don't know what that is in English, but that's Today's Orange is Way. That's like a color. They have little fun things, I'm telling you. But as I said, they always like have the browns, and so I'm gonna do kind of like a brownish look and like have it really, you know, like K-Beauty. Like, so I'm gonna play with kind of the brown colors first. These colors, I feel like these are so hard to like tell you, because there is like 살랑살랑 벚꽃비. That's like, this is how I can describe. I don't know what the word is in English. 살랑살랑. This kind of like skin tone-ish color first, and see what it has to offer. We'll see. I'm gonna just put it everywhere. And it doesn't. Had made no difference. Also, I have to say that Korean people are a little more fair skinned than I am. Like, they're a lot more white. I want to have a very natural brown blending type of thing, because Korean people don't put, even K-pop stars, I feel like it isn't like super dark eyes. It's just like eyeliner and like a pop of red lip and then like pinky cheeks. And I feel like we can create that look with it. So I'm just adding more and more, and then I'm just blending it out as I go. Now that I have like kind of like the brown blending going, I know it's very, very faint, but now that we have that going, there is kind of a darker brown color, so I'm gonna kind of pack that in on, instead of the outer corner, I'm just gonna kind of pack it in up to the midsection. I feel like this is how I did makeup in Korea, and I feel like this is kind of the look.
And you can even tell like the brown is not even that brown. I mean, it's probably more brown.
I want to use the peachy one, but let's swatch it to see how it looks on my skin. Okay, I'll show you guys. Okay, up the highlightery one. I'm gonna use just like a slanted brush because I'm actually gonna put it in the whole like front area. Oh, I feel like on my skin, the highlighter one is like not as glistening. I'm gonna actually use the pink one. Actually, using both has made everything so glittery. Okay, so I feel like this eye is like pretty done. I know it's like very faint than like my normal eye, but I am going to do my brows. This is from Etude House, and I have never tried this, but you are, oh my god, it's like an actual, what is this? What is this thing? You're like, what? I'm so confused. Why is the tip like so thick? But, so it has like this kind of tip, and you're supposed to draw your brows with this? Alright, this is gonna be a journey. I don't know what's happening. I have my brow brush with like the brow stuff on it. And I feel like with like American brows, it's more like doot doot, you know, it's more, has more angles, but Korean brows are a lot less angly, like they're a lot more smoother. So that's kind of like what I'm gonna do. Instead of coloring in this like top part right here, I'm just gonna go and kind of round it a little more, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna use my Fenty eyeliner. And like I said before, I'm going to draw out instead of drawing up. Usually this is how I draw my eyeliner, to be honest. I'm gonna use my Dior mascara and just like pump those lashes up before I put on my lashes. Lashes from Ardell, and I am going to probably use one of these. To be honest, these are a little bit like more heavier than like your normal Korean lashes, I think. But I'm gonna use, they're very wispy, so I feel like they won't look like too insane. So I'm gonna use the Demi Wispies because they have like 3 different wispies. They have the Wispies in the middle, Demi Wispies, and then the bottom is Wispy 600. So I'm just gonna use the Demi Wispies. I feel like they look the most natural. Y'all, so I just did my other side, and I feel like on camera it is very, very faint, but I will show you guys a close-up later and you can see all the glitz and glam. Anyway, so I just went ahead and did the other side. I am going to now do a little bit of contour. I'm using the Kaja, and it's so weird because every time I say that I think of snacks. Anyways, I'm using the Kaja Don't Settle. This is a concealer, I think. Anyways, I'm gonna use this under my eyes. Just using a little because I have been using this and a little goes a long way. I think this is in the color Fortune Cookie. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use my other little spongy. Brighten the under the eyes. Ooh, it looks good. Okay, very excited because one side I have this thing, which is how freaking cute is this? This is from Etude House as well, and I think I just have to, it's a little blush and it's so cute. Oh my god, this is like the most, does the bottom come off? No. I have the Kaja blush as well. This is in Saucy. And this I am obsessed with, so it makes a little heart when you click on it. Oh my god, look at this, how cute. Oh my god, how cute! Oh my god, it is so cute. It was like a little bit more coral, so maybe it is good that I got both like the kind of the pink version and the coral version, because I have like the Etude House, this cute little piglet, and it's a little coral, so I'm gonna kind of use this coral and put the blush on with my Jessica Simpson brush. Yes, definitely like not that stark, so I'm just gonna put a little on my cheeks. I'm gonna use this blush and bronze palette. It's like the Korean one, and I'm just dipping in like the dark area. And I'm just gonna kind of just a little bit of contour, so I have a little bit of definition. A little bit on my nose. Okay, now that that's done, the nose bridge is done, I'm gonna go under my eye and do that brown that I was talking about, because I do feel like all like K-pop Korean people, they all do like the little like brownie thing. Brown it out. Alright. Ooh, that is looking lit. Okay. And now in Korea, this like little, like right here, like the little fold, I don't know what it's called in English, but it's called aegyosa, and we always, without a diet. Diet? What? Yeah, I must be doing cake because I'm not about diets. Anyway, without a doubt, we always, you know, highlight the aegyosa, which is like this part right here in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead, oops, I like dig into it too far. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and use kind of like the highlightery one and go in and highlight my aegyosa. Kaja in Mochi Glow, and I'm gonna use this on my highlights. Ooh, okay. It's definitely like a lot more glowy and like less like beam, you know what I mean? Ooh, wait a minute. It is beam. Wait, I'm sorry, Kaja, I did that to you. On my red lip, this is what's gonna pull the look all together. And this is the Etude Zero Red. And look how cute this is. This is like a little vending machine basically that they have. And it's so cute. Oh my gosh. And then you take this out. And it's a soda bottle. Oh my god. Why are Korean things so cute? Like literally, I am dead. Look how cute this is. Okay, so this is a lip tint. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I feel like there was a trend where like, you know, it used to look like you bit into a cherry, and so there was a lot of like red in the center and gradation out, but I feel like things are changing a little bit. Like it's a more like strong red. Ooh, okay. So this is my finished look. I have like such glow to everything, like the mochi. Oh my god, like look at this. The mochi highlighter has really given me that glow. Oh my, I'm dead. I did not know this highlighter was gonna give me so much like kwang, you know? Kwang is like like, let me know what you thought about this. Let me know if you have any questions on the products that I've used. I am super happy about every product. I would say if I had to choose one product that didn't really work for me, I would say this little sponge guy, like from Etude House. It was just like way too hard for me, but I mean, if you don't mind that, then totally it's like cute AF. So let me know what other looks I should try in the comments below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Alright y'all, I'll see you next time. Bye!